I know you're gonna dig this.
There we go! Hey guys, welcome back to Joyride Racing. And today, we think we're actually going to start working on the Duster. Before we do, we got to get some things moved around. If you guys see in our past videos, the GMC's been in here. Got things moved around. We're putting the Fiesta in here because I got some parts coming in that we're actually going to work on it. And speaking of the Fiesta, we actually got it signed up for the first race of the season. We're going to be going to Streetcar Takeover Kansas at Odessa, Missouri, Flying H Dragway, where we had Division 5 ET Finals. Like brand new facility. Signed up for roll racing, which there's a qualifying that will get put into a whatever bracket we fit into. And then
the slow one?
What's that?
The slow bracket?
Probably. But it'll be fun. It'll be an experience. And signed up for the 12-0 class. They call it 12-0 daily driver class, but...
And that's a heads-up race, isn't it?
Heads up. I want to say 400 Pro Tree, but the Fiesta's pretty consistent 12-0. And the car is capable of going a little bit faster, but where it sits now and still being relatively safe for longevity, it's kind of the perfect class for it. So it would be fun to get our feet wet in the Streetcar Takeover event. And if it goes well, maybe in the future, take the Duster, depending on what kind of times it's running, what event.
Yeah, we got to see where that fits in, yeah.
Yeah, so really, the Fiesta is just the easiest thing to jump in and just drive it and go do something just to get our feet wet. So that's the plan. But then, hopefully, today, we can start actually work on the Duster. That'll probably be a different video. Got some other things to do. Ready to get car switched around. Got a whole nother Summit Racing box coming full of stuff that we're going to need. So let's get this car fired up.
Well, will it start?
It should.
Let's jump in, see if it starts. So we got to back it out, get your car backed in,
Yeah.
and then bring this in.
Should start. It's got power. The battery's good. So I'm gonna play musical battery.
Wonder if hey Ricky, I wonder if the float bowl's empty. Let's run the electric pump.
Oh,
Yeah, hang on. You need to get a switch for this.
You see him?
I can't see it from here. It's probably enough.
Probably. Should I pump it again?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there's plenty of room to work
All right.
with there.
Let's get the car in here.
All right, guys, now that we have the car up on the lift, got something special for the car. If you see over here, got the old, this, or setup off, 26-inch tire, 15 by 8 Eagle alloy. really nice lightweight wheel, but we decided to change things up because we are going to a taller tire, bigger tire, 275/60. We went to a 15 by 10 VMS racing wheel, and that wheel looks good on there. It is the same wheel that I have for the Fiesta with the slick, and it's the same wheel we have for our front runners.
So we'll be matching next time out.
There's some, everything fits and it's great. The taller tire, we might have to change some stuff, but as of now, the wheel fits, and that's a problem we'll worry about a little later. But it's not a
So
major
this
issue.
this is designed for a Mustang with 6.3 inches of back spacing,
Yeah.
and we need all the back spacing because that's a B body rear end in an A body, and trying to find a wheel with that much back spacing is hard to do.
Yeah, especially for Mopar, because no one sells anything for
Right. I
Mopars.
mean, we could have got a custom wheel, but
These were really great price, still pretty lightweight, and they look good. But yeah, we could have went with some welds, and they would have worked great. But VMS Racing is well within our budget, and they look good. And for now, what the power we're going to be making, and not needing a bead lock yet, these will do the job just fine. So very happy, very excited. It's going to give the Duster really a whole new look. Even with when we had the fronts on, it looked a lot different. So hopefully get the tires put on soon, then we can dress the rear end stuff that we got to deal with in that time.
so for drag and drive, we needed the wheels, so that was the point.
Yeah, so we initially bought a 28-inch wheel or tire to go on the front to get more rollout, and it didn't come remotely close to fitting. So we have two 28-inch all seasons that we're going to be throwing on these wheels for the drag and drive. So we're going to swap fronts and rears on that drag and drive. So we're well set up for that. So yeah, we're getting ready for a whole nother massive race season. Like I said, Streetcar Takeover coming up. 6 Summer 2025. Unfortunately, will not be this car. Maybe another year. And yeah, we'll be taking 2 cars in 6 Summer. Your Challenger, which we got some Challenger content coming up here soon to get that car ready to go. It doesn't need a whole lot, but just to make life easier. And said a whole lot going on with the Duster. So not in this video, but today we're pulling the engine and transmission, or hopefully get that done today, or as much as we can, and start working on cam and head stuff. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.